Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the dishwasher door latch, be sure to turn off the power to the appliance. Open the door and use a Phillips-head screwdriver to unthread all 4 screws, securing the outer door panel. With the screws unthreaded, you can pull the panel down to detach. Using a T-25 Torx bit, unthread the 6 screws securing the control panel assembly. Use a T-25 Torx bit to unthread the door latch mounting screws. Open the door to fully release the old latch. Note the orientation of the wire connectors, then disconnect them. Install the new door latch by first connecting the wire connectors to the appropriate terminals. Position the latch on the inner door panel and door strike. Then thread the 2 mounting screws. Realign the control panel assembly and secure it with the screws. Reinstall the outer door panel by aligning it on the inner panel, then slide up. Thread the 4 mounting screws to secure. Turn the power supply back on, and your dishwasher should be ready for use.